A ladder is leaning against a wall. Its foot sits a little way out on the ground, and it reaches up to a window well above your head. Here's the everyday question a builder actually asks. How long does that ladder have to be? Hidden inside it is one of the oldest, most useful facts in all of mathematics, and it goes further than you'd think. It all begins with the plane shape the ladder makes against the wall. The wall rises straight up. The ground runs flat. Where they meet is a perfect square corner, a right angle. The wall, the ground, and the ladder close it into a right triangle. The two short sides are called the legs, the height on the wall and the distance along the ground. The long side, leaning across from the right angle, is the hypotenuse, the ladder itself. And here is the ancient rule. Build a square on each leg and a square on the hypotenuse. The two smaller squares added together exactly equal the biggest one. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Stand a ladder 3 feet out and 4 feet up, and it reaches exactly 5. Measuring shows that it works, but measuring can never tell you why. So let's actually see why. Take 4 copies of that same right triangle and 1 large square to hold them. Lay the 4 triangles in like this, and the empty space they leave behind is a single tilted square. The square on the hypotenuse, c squared. Now slide those very same 4 triangles into the corners a different way. They cover exactly the same area as before, but now the empty space is 2 squares, one sitting on each leg, a squared and b squared. Same big square, same 4 triangles, so the leftover space has to match. The one square must equal the other 2. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Not measured this time, but proven for every right triangle there will ever be. And once it's proven, the idea doesn't have to stay on a wall. Lift the triangle off and set it down on a map. Mark 2 points on a grid. Step across, then step up. Those 2 steps are the legs, and the straight line between the points is the hypotenuse. So the distance between them is the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. The same triangle, now measuring any gap you like. Push it 1 step further. Add a 3rd direction, and the diagonal through a box is the square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. The rule applied twice. Tilt the corner off 90 degrees, and a single extra term, the law of cosines, corrects for the lean. The moment the corner is square again, that term falls away, and you're back to a squared plus b squared equals c squared. From a ladder against a wall to the distance between 2 stars, it's the same quiet idea. Give a triangle 1 square corner, and its longest side is completely fixed by the other 2. That's the theorem waiting in every corner of the world.